Hello guys, if you are tired of running out of Monopoly Go rolls, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to get unlimited rolls. Whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or tablet, this method will work for everyone. So let's start getting them. First, we will go to this website, or the link in the first comment. This is the tool that we are using to claim the rolls, so we will type our game username or game ID. Then we'll select a device. For me, I will select an Android. After that, click Connect. Now it says to choose the amount we want. I will select 425 rolls. So it says that we have to unlock our items manually, so click Unlock Now. So it seems that my rolls have been unlocked, so let's open the game and check them. This is the exact amount of rolls that we chose earlier, and I can spend it without problems. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share it with your friends. That's it for this video. Bye!